Hey guys, Lindsay with the Scrap Room here. This is just a super quick video to show you how to make a tumbler wrap design using an image or a digital paper in Canva. You can find this template over in my shop. It is specifically for 20-ounce skinny tumblers. And you just open it up in Canva and drop and drag any image or picture, PNG, JPEG, whatever, into the frame. When you double click on the image, you can resize it or shift it around in the frame, and then layer on any text or other graphics that you want to add. When you're all done, go in the upper right hand corner, go to share, click download, and then download this PNG. You can also do it in a JPEG, but normally just PNG is great. It's a good high quality image file, and download it to your device. And that's it. Super easy. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.